Okay, to install Microsoft PowerToys in Windows 10, open up the Edge browser and go to github.com/Microsoft/PowerToys/releases and click on the exe file for the most recent release. Okay, when it's done downloading, click the three dots, then click Show in Folder. Then you can double click the exe file. If you get this pop-up, just click Yes. Okay, click Next. Click Next. You can check the box to create a shortcut on the desktop if you want to. Then click Next. Then click Install. And then click Yes. Then click Finish. Okay, to get to the PowerToys settings, you can just right-click the icon on the taskbar and choose Settings. And to display the shortcut menu, just hold the Windows key down. And then you can hit one of these letters. I hit A to open the Action Center. And then I to open Settings. Okay, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.